welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make Lofthouse cookies. Before we get started, if you guys want to see more cooking and baking videos, make sure to subscribe to my channel and give this video a like and turn on your notification bell so you guys never miss a video. Anyways, now let's get started. By the way guys, the ingredients are listed below. So the first thing I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be adding some sugar to the mixing bowl and also some butter. Now I'm going to give this a quick stir. The sugar and the butter have to be well combined together. It's going to take quite a bit of time, but just keep on stirring until the butter and sugar are well combined. I'm going to add some sour cream, and give this a quick mix. Okay, now I'm going to be cracking 2 eggs. So there's one. And there's the other one. Give this a quick mix again. Okay, so now I'm going to add 3 cups flour. So now I am going to be adding some baking soda and baking powder and also some salt. And give this a good mix. So I'm going to preheat the oven to 350. Okay, so now I'm going to put some parchment paper on the trays. Mine aren't that clean, but whatever. Put that on here. Okay, so now I am gonna make some circles out of the dough. About this much. So I'm gonna make these and I'll be right back. So now I'm gonna flatten them out. So I'm gonna make them just like so, like a little circle. And I'm gonna do this for all of them and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so I'm going to put the cookies in the oven for 8 minutes. So now I'm going to make the icing. For the icing you need some butter, some icing sugar, and some vanilla extract and milk. So first what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my butter and put it in the bowl. The ingredients are listed below for the icing, so the quantity, let's go check it out. I'm going to beat the butter. Okay guys, so now I'm gonna stiff the icing sugar, put it in there. Yeah, so I'm gonna stir this a little bit before I start beating it up because I don't want all this icing sugar flying everywhere. So I'm gonna mix this a little and now I'm going to start beating it up. Okay guys, so now I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of milk. So I'm going to put 1 tablespoon. Just mix. And now I'm going to add another tablespoon. Now I'm going to add some vanilla extract, about a teaspoon. That's a good mix. Divide the icing, well, I think it's buttercream mostly, but I'm going to divide them into 2 bowls, and I'm going to put some food coloring. So I'm going to put some pink food coloring and some blue. So Alright, so now I'm going to put the food coloring. I'm going to put at least maybe 3 drops, depending on how strong the color is. So I'm going to put 3 drops on both of them. Needs a little bit more food coloring. Now I'm gonna put the icing, sugar, icing. I don't know what I keep on saying. Whatever. So I'm gonna first do with the pink. Oh my god. Hey guys, so this is how the cookies look like. They look really great. I did a bunch of like different colors. I mean, not different, but the same. But I put some pink on one, blue on one, and I did a mixture of both to make them like unicorny, I guess. But yeah, they look really good. I'm gonna give one a try. So I'm gonna do the pink one. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh my god, can you talk? These are really good. You guys should actually try it. And comment down below if you guys actually like it. Anyways, this is the end of the video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed me making these. Until then, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!